Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be rating my fidgets from 1 through 10. 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. And yes, I will be cutting the strings off off camera. Yes, I am most excited for the monkey noodles. They are technically my favorite, so heads up. But out of this, I want to say the pumpkin one is my favorite, besides the band. So therefore, I want to say a 10 out of 10 for the monkey noodles. So heads up. A 10 out of 10 for this. And yes, I do have the slinky sound. Right here. Yes, I do have 12 of these that are small. So I have a pumpkin one. A haunted house one. A bad one. And the blue pumpkin one. My favorite would be the green bad and the blue pumpkin one. So I'm going to say a 9 out of 10. Like for the slinkies. And yes, I have more in the pack too. But for the slinkies, a 9 out of 10. I want to say for this one is a 8 out of 10 because when I tried to pop it, it did not want to pop like that, even though I do like it. So an 8 out of 10 for this one. I do have a bad one as well. Yeah, 8 out of 10 for this one too. Because when I tried to pop it and all that, it did not want to pop clear. So therefore 8 out of 10 for this one. And this one was supposed to glow in the dark. And 9 out of 10 for the ghost. And 9 out of 10 out of the ghost. And yes, I do have 3 packs of these. I am testing all 3 packs out to see if it's a different rating or if it's the exact same rating. So heads up. This one, I would say, I know I said to the last bag that I'll give it an 8 out of 10, but with this one, it's like a little bit more clear with the pops, so a 9 out of 10. Nine out of 10 for this one. A 9 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. The second pack for the Halloween Poppets gets a 9 out of 10. For all. And this is the last pack for the Poppets that I have. I want to see if it is a different rating or if it can be the 9 out of 10. Nine out of 10 for this one. Ten out of 10 for the skull. And yes, this one glows in the dark too. All the ghost does. Like for it. A 9 out of 10 for this one. But for all the ghost poppets that I have, they do glow in the dark. They do. So therefore a 9 out of 10 for this. And this is the LED eye one. It is a little bit rough and all that just to squeeze down onto it. And plus, like, it is like one of my favorites of it. So I want to say 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Comment down below if the eyes looks creepy and all that. Or if it's like one of your favorites. So I want to say, I believe I said a 9 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. One of those two. And I do have another one of it. Scratch that for both is 9 out of 10. But they are rough, just to squeeze down a little bit for the stress balls. But 9 out of 10. And yes, I am doing the zombie head one since it came out of the package. This one is like a little bit sticky, but not that sticky. So heads up. But I am giving it a 9 out of 10. Like a 9 out of 10. Even though that this is my favorite. So heads up. But it's still 9 out of 10. Yes, this is one of my favorites of it. I never owned a pumpkin stress ball before, so this is the first time. So I want to say a 10 out of 10 for this one. A 10 out of 10. And yes, I have two that is the exact same for this. I just didn't notice that it was colorful on the inside. I want to say a 10 out of 10 for this. Okay, that one came apart so fast. I want to say a 10 out of 10 for this one too. If I have to pick my favorite ones out of the pile, it would be the Halloween stress ball, the monkey noodles, and the zombie head one. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the whole entire pile. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll see everyone in the next video.